Hey guys, it's Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today I'm going to announce my winners. I'd have two winners to the 25,000 subscriber giveaway. One will get a green stalk, one will get a cookbook. But first, I wanted to talk to you about the stand-up and garden planter that I got from home. Let's see, I got it from Tractor Supply. I wanted to show you how it's doing. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a beautiful planter. And I was kind of iffy on what might come up, but I've got flowers coming up. I've got kale. Not 100% sure. Somebody can tell me what this is. I forgot what I planted there. But I've got several of those coming up. More kale in this corner. More flowers. I planted something here. Some of it I'm really not sure about what it is, and some of it, like this is my chives. I know I planted onion chives. Here. I can't remember everything. I planted some borage and different stuff, and I'm not sure what's coming up and what's not. And some of this could have been seeds that was in the planter already. So I'm not 100% sure. These, pretty sure they may be zinnias. The seeds were already in the soil that I put, so I'm not sure what's coming, but I haven't found my tomatoes or peppers, so neither one of those seem to do. The squash did not seem to do, but the kale and whatever this is that I planted and the flowers seem to do really well. The kale's looking awesome. So I'm going to get back in and get the computer brought up, choose a couple of winners, and y'all, you can grow in the stand-up planter. I was really worried that this would get too hot, but it hadn't so far. I mean, stuff's growing. You just moisten it and keep it wet, and it has a drain in the bottom. And y'all, it looks amazing, doesn't it? I got just a few yellow wax beans, enough to add to stir fry. We got a few tomatoes. I'm going to let them finish turning in the house, but hey, tomatoes the 1st of April, this is awesome. The cucumbers are starting to take off. I have little cukes, if they're pollinated, all over the place. And look at these, already to the top of the trellis. Isn't that amazing? In a couple of weeks, this will be so full. If nothing happens, we'll have it all filled in with all kinds of cucumbers. I'm anxious. Some of my newest beans are coming up here and here. And then look at the okra. This is the bush okra from Grow Family Network. I've got 6 plants here. Over there I've got a plant, and I've got a couple of plants back here. That's the wild lettuce in there. The English peas are almost done. I took a few out yesterday. I'll finish taking the others out in a couple of days. The tomatoes, I did a hard pulling lots of leaves out. The white flies over the last couple of weeks has been so hot. But look at the tomatoes. I mean, this is a beefsteak. Very prolific. These went through 2 freezes during the winter, and now they're making tomatoes in April. We've been eating for over, I would say, a little over a week. We've had at least 1 tomato every couple of days. Isn't that amazing? All right, these beans are starting to make. These were later than what I already had over there. You can see those are going to play out soon. That's the Cherokee yellow wax beans. These are the climbing beans. I put a few of them on here just to see how they would do. You see they're starting to climb, and we're starting to get blooms and little peas. The wild lettuce is doing great in here, and the ginger and turmeric that I planted in here, some of it's coming up, usually not till May, till a lot of it, but this all wintered. So we'll see others popping up over the next couple of months. And y'all want to know who won a green stalk? Hey, I'm fixing to tell you. But look, my strawberries overwintered in this side. The back side not so much because it was turned around to an outer wall. And I'm going to go into Danny's greenhouse and get more strawberries and add into this one, fill it on out for the summer. And you see, Danny doesn't lack for strawberries here. They need thinning out. We were going to take them out for 2 years and hadn't done it and create other beds. So I've got to take a few out for my green stalk. Now, who is the winner? Hey guys, I've tried to start this video for several times for a week now, and I wanted to announce the winners of my cookbook and a green stalk. Here's the cookbook, and I know it's probably backwards, but from garden to pantry to table in the Deep South kitchen. So one cookbook, it is going to Sandra House. So Sandra, contact me at deepsouthhomestead@gmail.com. You have 24 hours, and I will get the cookbook out to you. Now the green stalk, Julie Zimmerman. Julie Zimmerman. Please contact me within the next 24 hours. I'll give you till, I guess, Friday morning. That sounds good. Friday night, the 14th of April. You guys contact me before the 14th of April, and I will get out the cookbook to Sandra, the green stalk to Julie. Julie, you'll have to send me an email, choose the color, and I will get it sent out next week. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.